Many students get confused when solving simultaneous equations. Let's see if you can solve this before I do. Many students pause the video and try it first. Today we are going to solve this using the addition or elimination method. The goal is to eliminate one variable so we can solve for the other. So our equation is given as 2x plus y equal to 7. We call this equation 1, and we have x minus y equal to 1. We call this equation 2. The next step is to add the equations. So we add. Our aim is to eliminate y. So 2x plus x is 3x plus y plus minus y is 0 equal to 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have 3x equal to 8. The next step is to solve for x. To solve for x, we divide both sides by 3. So 3x over 3 equal to 8 over 3. So 3 gets to 3. So our answer for x, so x is equal to 8 over 3. To find y, we substitute x equal to 8 over 3 equal to equation 1 or equation 2. So if we put x equal to 8 over 3 into equation 1, or let's say 2, for example, we now have x is 8 over 3 minus y equal to 1. So we collect like terms. So we have 8 over 3. We move y to the left, becomes minus 1 equal to minus y moves to the right, becomes plus y. So to solve this, we make 1 a fraction, becomes 1 over 1. So we find the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3 equal to y. So 8 minus 3 is 5 over 3. So our x is 8 over 3, y is 5 over 3. The key idea in simultaneous equations is to eliminate one variable, then substitute to find the other. If you got the answer correct, comment "got it" below. Subscribe to Basic to Tech for more problem of the week challenges. Thank you.